Welcome to the session. What big day? I think. Cupcakes. And we need this. And we need this one. And we need this. And this one. 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 And this one.
Yeah.
And this one.
What is that? You gotta say what everything is.
It's a baking pan.
Yep. And sprinkles.
Pink dust.
And icing.
Icing.
And baking cups.
Baking cups.
And how many eggs?
We had 4 and 4. What?
How many eggs do we have counted?
1, 2, and me.
3. Good
Three
job. Show them how many eggs. 3.
3.
Good
Yes.
job.
As pink does. We need more. Oh. More? 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 Uh-oh. More? More? More?
All of it.
Okay. Another all of that.
Good job. Good job. Okay, next.
Next.
Crack your eggs.
Okay. Like this. It's sucking.
You need help?
No.
Let me help you.
No. I got this egg. It's baking, Bobby.
Crack it. Open it with 2 hands. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get it. Uh-oh. There you go.
Oh, I need to wash my hands.
It's okay.
No.
Now,
I need that.
what is this? Oil.
Oh yeah. Let me put it in there.
Half a cup of oil.
Oh yeah.
Good job. Okay.
Right? What the?
Now we gotta mix it.
Now, like this one. Okay. And taste it.
Hold on. Actually, we have a surprise.
Yeah.
We're gonna put pineapple.
No,
Yeah, we like pineapples.
no. We actually eat them.
You like pineapples?
No, and but when we mix it with the toothpaste.
Yeah.
No. But
Pour it.
okay. Help me. I got it.
You got it? Okay.
Put it. Okay.
There you go. That's enough.
Okay. That's enough. Oh, it had more.
More? Okay.
It's not done.
Good job.
We need to mix it.
Now we mix it.
Okay.
Put that first inside.
Huh?
Put it inside.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Stand up. 2 hands. 2 hands. Stand up. done.
Uh-oh.
Now.
I need to put it out. What?
Okay. You get one and I get one, okay? Okay, now we taste it.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
That's a dog on me.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Bring the spoon first and then eat it. Okay.
Okay, you ready? Say you have to put non-stick butter spray.
Maybe put more six spice spring.
Non-stick spray.
No.
Okay, hold the tray for me like that. Ready?
See the team?
Now, wait. We're gonna use cups. Why am I using non-stick spray? Uh-oh.
I hold the spoon.
Let me wipe this, okay? I'm gonna clean it, okay? We don't need that spray.
No.
Poppy's so silly.
No.
Poppy's silly, right?
Yeah, we don't need that bait. It's full of yeast.
Tell your friends, my puppy's so silly.
Ben, my puppy's so silly.
Count 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wait, that. 6. It's your turn.
Okay, now we're gonna put that in here, okay? Inside
Okay.
the cups.
I need help, Papi.
Just go like this.
Okay. It's not fastball. Fastball, Papi. Okay. I did it.
Good job.
Help.
You got it, go. Alright, next one.
I need a lot in there.
Get a lot in here.
I need this one and this one. I need a lot. A lot. I just want to.
Hold on. We're gonna put the oven to 350 degrees.
No, we need this in the freezer.
No, oven.
No, in the freezer.
No, it has to cook in the oven.
No, it's not that in the freezer.
No, we have to cook this in the oven. Say, friends, we have to put this in the oven now.
No, I want to put it in the freezer.
In the freezer?
No,
Okay.
you put it in the freezer. Okay, it's not melt.
Guys, we have to put this in the oven for 350 degrees for 18 to 23 minutes, okay?
Hi, we back.
We're back.
Let's see that.
And now our cupcakes are ready.
Yeah,
And now we're gonna decorate them with icing and sprinkles.
yeah. And we need this one.
What color is that?
It's orange.
Yeah, and
Green.
show everybody, show everybody.
This one is orange.
Mm-hmm.
And this one is icing.
What color?
It's green.
Green.
And this one is white.
White icing. Mmm, yummy. Which
That's
one's your
what-
favorite?
This one.
What, orange one?
Nah.
Okay,
Let's put that.
let's put it.
Nah. Wow.
Okay, put it on top.
Okay. Help me, Papi.
Wow, more. Good job. Here, spread it with this spoon. This. Put more.
I put the, help me.
It's okay. Okay.
And the other one,
Yep.
I put this. This is.
This.
Oh. And the airplane we sent by it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and this one. Okay, and then sign the altar.
Now green.
How green.
You wanna do it?
No.
Okay.
You need to
Put
help.
in that one.
Okay. Oh.
It's okay.
Oh.
Now do this one.
Okay. That one first.
Do that one.
Okay. Mom, that.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Spread it with the spoon now. Spread it.
I bet there was a poop. Right here. And it's white.
What? Your tongue is green. You're silly. Papi want to do one.
Okay. It's falling down.
It's okay.
It's falling out. I bet it with a spoon. It's like falling there. I'm sorry. That's your turn. Papi, that's your turn.
What is this, Tito?
Huh? Orange. That one might be me harder, I thought.
Let me see.
Really white.
All right, we're done.
We're done.
And I have a surprise for y'all.
I don't have a prize for y'all.
All right, take that one off.
Okay. Ta-da!
What do you say?
Thank you.
Oh, what do you think? Let's go you.
Let's go, you.
Woo! All right, now we're gonna take a bite.
Now, help me, Papi.
Eat it, puppy. Don't be scared. Bite it.
I ate it.
How does it taste?
Yummy.
Oh, bite it.
And taste the mean one. Papi, help me. Help me to taste the mean one. Papi, I want to taste the mean one.
Okay, taste the green one.
I can you did that.
You want this one?
No, yes.
Take it out.
Like that, Bobby. Okay, is on ball. Good. Oh. What's your loving?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Kiss.